The situation on the planet Tartarus is grim. While the Blood Ravens crushed the main Orc offensive at the spaceport, the bulk of their force is not engaged. They gather in the wilderness, awaiting a critical mass of bodies that will overwhelm the Imperial forces in a green wave of death and destruction. The Blood Ravens will not allow this to occur. Orbital monitoring has detected an area in the southern forests where the Orcs appear to be massing. Orcs only respect strength, so they will look to the largest of their groups to lead them. We will insert a small, covert strike force to eliminate these Orc leaders and destroy any encampments where the Orcs might mass. This should cut to the heart of the Orcs' fighting spirit and delay their inevitable counterattack. We must tread lightly, lest we disturb this slumbering beast. You have your orders. Now go, and may the Emperor protect you.
I do not care for all this sneaking about.
I know, old friend. You always have preferred the direct approach.
We have the Imperial Guard. Why not send them into battle instead of treating them like glorified shepherds? If we meet the Orcs in force, they cannot possibly stand before us.
We have fought the Orc 100 times before. They thrive on war. A direct assault on them would likely improve their morale and simply attract more of them. The casualties would be enormous.
What are the Imperial Guard for if not to die for their Emperor? At the very least, we should retain a regiment to remain at our core. We have little support this far out. We would not want to be remembered for our carelessness.
We, old friend, or me?
We are brothers, Gabriel. You know better than to ask that question. I know what this is about. There was nothing you could have done to save Cyrene.
Do not mention that place again, Isidore. Cyrene was my homeworld. My responsibility. Scout Team 3, do you copy?
Yes, my lord.
The local Imperial waterworks has fallen into Orc hands. If we are to reclaim this area, we must first retake this position. Scouts have infiltrated ahead of you and will assist you in your reconnaissance. If things prove to be more than you can handle, reinforcements will be mobilized to assist.
Getting into position. We will move ahead.
This area is crawling with Orcs.
Positions.
We should infiltrate to sneak past them.
And mark any
Do
enemy
not
positions.
get too close, or we may be spotted.
Excellent. Your Scout Marine squad is now invisible to all enemies except for commanders. Keep in mind, though, if you are attacked, your invisibility will be broken, and
Scouts
some
here.
time will pass before you can utilize it again.
Yes, my lord. Search commencing. Gathering intelligence. Commencing infiltration. Scouts here. Scouts in position.
The
Scouts
wretched
awaiting
Xenos
orders.
are guarding a
At your
strategic
command.
point. Scout
Yes, my
Team
lord.
2 is upgraded with sniper
Gathering
rifles.
intelligence.
They
Scouts
will
in
make
position.
short work of these Orcs.
At your command. Scouts ready. Scouts ready. Scouts ready. At your command. Scouts awaiting orders. Getting into position. We will move ahead and mark any enemy positions. Wait for them to pass before we attempt to sneak by. Danger. We will root it out. We will move ahead and mark any enemy positions. Commencing infiltration. I sense danger. We will root it out. Search commencing. Commencing infiltration. Scouts ready.
Taking hits.
Scouts awaiting orders. There's our target. A large orc knob who looks like he's in charge of this bunch. If we kill him, we'll severely weaken the orc morale. Scouts in position. Scouts awaiting orders. Yes, my lord. The enemy is in our sights. At your command. Commencing infiltration. Scouts ready. Gathering intelligence. Scouts here. Scouts awaiting orders. Scouts here. Yes, my lord. At your command. Attack! Scouts ready. Commencing infiltration. Scouts awaiting
in the name of the Knob is dead. We will take it from here.
Commencing scout infiltration.
We are the Emperor's chosen. Cleanse, purge, kill.
At your command. At your command. Gathering intelligence. On patrol. Getting into position.
He who stands with me shall be my brother. My aim shall not falter.
Scouts in position.
What would you have to die? Space Marines, advance! Space Marines, advance!
Yes, my lord. Onward to glory!
Scouts ready. At your command.
Yes, my lord.
What would you have?
Ever vigilant. Attacking as ordered. Under fire.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Stay vigilant, brothers. Moving out. Attacking as ordered. Orders received.
Position
Engaging the
secure.
enemy.
Well done. The waterworks are under our
Fate is
control.
our shield.
Now we must
We
start
are the
building a
Emperor's
base before we hunt
Scouts
down
ready.
the rest
Yes,
of the
my
orcs. On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby. Let us capture these strategic points and establish a base of operations.
Yes, Lord. Initializing build protocol. Build routine 721 initiated.
Yes, my lord. Understood.
Scouts awaiting orders. Scouts here. Scouts ready. Yes, my lord.
Praise the Emperor.
Yes, Lord.
Position secure. We stand ready. Fear our wrath. Taking
Beware
heavy fire.
the mutant. Hurt.
Fear denies faith.
I await your instructions. Initializing build protocol. Initializing build protocol.
What is your order? Fear denies faith.
What is your will? I await your instructions.
Under fire!
What is your will? I await your instructions. Initializing build protocol. Yes, most beneficent one. Initializing build protocol.
We are the Emperor's chosen. At your command. Weapons at ready. Stand ready. Time. Objective acquired. We stand ready. Cleanse. Purge. Kill. Commencing attack. Orders received, brother. Marine squad deployed. Faith is our shield. At your command. Awaiting orders. We are the Emperor's chosen. Cleanse, purge, kill. Taking damage. Fear denies faith. Yes, my lord. Take and hold.
Yes, Lord. As you wish. Here to serve. With all due
Walk
haste.
softly. Carry a big gun.
At your command. Awaiting orders. Consolidating position on the objective.
Yes, most beneficent one. I await your instructions.
We stand ready. We stand ready. Taking main attack formation.
Praise the Emperor.
At your command. Awaiting orders. Faith is our shield.
We will need more than heavy bolters to defeat
At
these
your
orcs.
command.
We must upgrade the stronghold to gain access to the tools we will need to destroy this plague.
We are the Emperor's chosen.
Yes, most beneficent one. I will do as you ask.
Fear denies faith. We stand ready. Direct us to the enemy. Faith is our shield. Taking aim. Moving out. Orders received. Awaiting orders. Hear our wrath. Faith is our shield. Understood. Yes, my lord.
Scouts awaiting orders.
Direct us to the enemy. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. Marine squad deployed. Fear denies faith. For the glory of the Imperium. Stay vigilant, brothers. Direct us to the enemy.
What would you have me do? The all-telling eyes of the skull probes are with us. Find them on our listening posts. The monastery is complete. Sergeants will inspire your Space Marine squads to greater feats of heroism, and rocket launchers will make short work of Orc buildings.
We stand ready. We stand ready. Faith is our shield. Faith is our shield. Weapons at ready. It is time. Taking damage. Ever vigilant. Heresy grows from idleness. Fear denies faith.
Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic. We must upgrade an existing listening post with the fortified position add-on. This upgrade will increase the requisition income and add better defenses to the listening post.
Heresy grows from idleness.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
Orders received, brother. We are the Emperor's chosen. Heresy grows from idleness. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. Weapons at ready. It is time.
The listening post is now earning more requisition, has better armor against enemy attacks, and has a gun emplacement to strike back.
At your command. We are the Emperor's chosen. Faith is our
Beware the alien.
direct us to the enemy. Weapons at ready. It is time. We are the Emperor's chosen. Direct us to the enemy. Claim it in the name of the Emperor. Taking hits. Yes, my lord.
Scouts here. Commencing infiltration. I sense danger.
Awaiting
Root it out.
orders. We are the Emperor's chosen. At your command. Defending objective.
Walk softly and carry a
Fear
big
denies
gun.
faith. What is your order? Faith is our shield.
is the Emperor.
We are the Emperor's chosen. Squad broken! Orders received. Our faith holds us. Faith is our shield. Charge! We stand ready, mates. Stay vigilant, brothers. None shall stop us. At your command. Marine squad deployed. Weapons at ready. It is time. Commencing attack. Stay vigilant, brothers. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. Ever vigilant. Marine squad deployed. Faith is our shield. At your command. Cleanse, purge, fear, denies faith. For the glory of the Imperium.
Scouts ready. Scouts awaiting orders.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Faith is our shield. Charge, fear denies faith. Men! We must withdraw!
What would you have me do?
At your command.
Regroup!
Initiating attack protocol 23. Commencing attack. Weapons at ready. It is time.
Scouts in position.
Direct us to the enemy. Direct us to the enemy. Stay vigilant, brothers. Fear denies fate. Cleanse, purge, kill! Yes, my lord. We stand ready. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. Yes, my lord. Ever vigilant. Heresy grows from idleness. Orders received. Taking damage. Claim it in the name of the Emperor. Fear denies faith. Orders received. At your command, we are the Emperor's chosen.
This day shall be a glorious one.
Fear denies faith. Stay vigilant, brother.
Beware. Faith and duty.
We are the Emperor's chosen. Onward to glory! Fear our wrath. Position secure. Yes, my lord. Orders received. What's your order? Moving out. We are the Emperor's chosen. Moving out. Taking damage from idleness. Yes, my lord. Engaging the enemy. What's your order? Commencing attack. Stay vigilant, brothers. Attacking as ordered.
Scouts ready. Scouts awaiting orders.
Fear denies faith. Yes, my lord. We are the Emperor's chosen. Fear denies faith. Fear our wrath. Engaging the enemy. The enemy is attacking! Commencing attack. Awaiting orders. Faith is our shield. Engaging the enemy. Faith is our shield. We stand ready. Faith is our shield. Awaiting orders. Fear denies faith. At your command. Moving out. Maintain attack formation. Stay vigilant. Awaiting orders. Yes, my lord. For the glory of the Imperium. Yes, my lord. Fear denies faith. Engaging the enemy. Taking hits. What's your order? Initiating attack protocol 23. Fear denies faith. Commencing attack. Initiating attack protocol 23. Initiating attack protocol 23. Awaiting orders. Yes, my lord. None shall stop us. Yes, my lord. We stand ready. Commencing attack. Charge! Commencing attack. Onward to glory! Awaiting orders. Fear denies faith.
Attack!
We stand ready. Direct us to the enemy. For the glory of the Imperium. Ever vigilant. Maintain attack formation. Heresy grows from idleness. Orders received. What's your order? We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. Position secure. Stay vigilant, brothers. Orders received, brother. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. Onward to glory! Cleanse, purge, kill! At your command.
At your command.
At your command. Understood. Claim it in the name of the Emperor. Marine squad deployed. We are the Emperor's chosen. Orders received. Charge! Understood. Weapons at ready. It is time. Initiating attack protocol 23. Commencing attack. We are the Emperor's chosen. Under fire. We stand ready. We stand ready. Heresy grows from idleness.
I must speak with the captain.
He is giving the Emperor his praise. Leave him this moment.
Yes, brother librarian. We completed our sweep of the area and can find no more orcs.
Indeed. Tell your squad to move ahead and clear the company's path.
Yes, brother librarian.
I will suffer no trespass.